But let's not let Anita's story end with her death. She was only 25 years old, so I feel like a lot of this is overshadowed by the tragedy of the story, and we don't actually get a chance to talk about who she was, right? She wasn't just a victim, she was a pioneer woman in Jamaica. She was writing, singing, and performing reggae music before it was even called that. She shaped the rhythm of a nation. You understand what I'm trying to say here? Young gal, young, young, mother of two, had recently been divorced. Rhythm of a nation. Didn't even get to enjoy it. But you know what? I do hope her soul is at peace, and I hope her story is finally being heard. Not just for what tragedy it was, but for how amazing she was from starting so young. You know what I mean? So thank you for listening and honoring Anita Mahfood's legacy. If this story moved you, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more real Jamaican stories. Until next time, peace and love unto you.